Welcome back, my dear student. So in this lecture here, we're going to be adding an extra field here, and we're not going to go to the table anymore, but we got to add it right here, the product title. We forgot to add this, and we should have it in the, we also forgot to add it right here in the report section. So actually, we got to go back to the database. I'm sorry, guys. All right. I don't know why I apologize. I'm showing you something super important, right? Why should I apologize to you? All right. So after that, we go product title. There we go. var card to 55. Beautiful. Let's go back and we know how to do this real quick, right? Beautiful. After product ID, we say product title. All right, comma, and then we'll get the title out of here, just like we did with the price. This is getting easier by the minute, right? Product title, change this here, and add one more after the last ID right here. Single quotes a couple times, and comma, curly brackets, and product title. Beautiful. All right, so one more thing. Let's go and actually check this out first. All right, I'm meaning my thank you page. Enter. We don't got no errors. That means that something was inserted. All right, so we could always check it. Let's go and check it. Reports and number 23. Make sure it's until 50. Here, number of rows showing. All right, orders. Mine is order 50. All right, let's go ahead and check something out real quick. All right, so we are inserting product price inside the reports. We should be inserting something here. All right, so let's go and check out. Okay, we don't have anything in the shopping cart. Let's add something, and let's go back and add another thing, and let's go to our thank you page. There we go. We're showing product 12 here. Let's go to our reports, enter, and we can see that we have inserted the title of this product here a couple times. All right, and this is the first time we tried it, and this is the second time we tried it. All right, if we want to double check, we could do it again. Delete. All right, and let's double check again because we don't want to repeat stuff. Enter, and refresh here. Oops. And we can see product 1 and product 2. All right, perfect. So we are inserting that. Now, another thing is that every time we refresh this, this is inserting a new order. We don't want that. All right, we have a whole bunch of orders, and if we click on display 100, we should have more than 50, 54. You see that? And if we keep clicking it, we keep getting orders. So I'm just gonna refresh this and show you. We got 54 right now, 55. You see that? So to avoid that, what we need to do is do a session destroy, and I have so many screens here. That is crazy. We do the session destroy here once we destroy the session, but we also have to, you see, this is in getting inserted automatically once it detects it has a transaction ID. So we don't want to do that. What I want to do is, I don't want to do anything, to be honest with you. I don't want to do anything. Anyway, what I want to do is I want to take this out of here and put it inside the for each somewhere. All right, so we could make this a little tighter here and put it right here, right next to the other one there. All right, and we can put comments on this, and we can say this one is going to insert this and this one is going to do this, and you know. All right, it's good to have comments. Sometimes we're doing things here and 1 or 2 weeks later we don't know why we did it, so make sure that you put some comments. All right, so now this should work good. Let's check it out. Let's see if we don't get no errors, and if we do, we'll fix it. I love getting errors. Enter, no errors. Enter. All right, that means that that little echo there that's not there, that means we don't have any sessions. So let's go ahead and go to orders, and we're gonna have some orders, of course, two orders, 56 and 57. All right, let's go ahead and go to index. We have one item here, that's enough. Let's go to checkout, enter. As you can see here, we have that ID. Well, we are displaying that item, right? So if we refresh again here, that's it. We shouldn't get any more orders. So we have 57 here, and now if we refresh now, we get 58. See that? And if we refresh again, we shouldn't get any more orders. That's it. Beautiful, isn't it? All right. That was really cool, wasn't it? All right. So now it's time for us to finally go back to our admin. Oh, well, we got to log in. It's logging us out. All right. Let's go back to our admin. And here on orders, let's display some information, and let's also display some reports. All right. So, and in the next lecture, we're finally going to be displaying some information here. And hope you're enjoying the course. Take care, and I'll see you then.